Welcome to another driving POV. We are going to the gym, as you can tell by the title. This is supposed to be an ASMR video, but I'm going to be introducing a couple new things that I started. So I have started my own car rally. It's called the Bat Rally, and if you don't have a car and you're a photographer, you can always join. Like, this is open to all makes, all models, it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna have the coolest rally in Florida. It's a work in progress. I've never done anything like this. I'm just starting it, but I will say it's free entry, and we will have free food for all the members. And for the ones that like participate, we'll invite them to exclusive rallies with hotel invites that are free of charge. Don't charge nothing, just bring gas in your car, that's it. So it's gonna be a good turnaround. I'll vlog that. Got a lot of people already that seem like they're excited to join. Of course, when it comes down and dirty it comes down to the time, we'll actually see who actually shows up. Of course, everyone's like, yeah, let's do it, and then it's actually a very hard thing to put together, but we'll see how it goes. And I think this would be a sick adventure. A good goal of mine is to make a nice rally with some exotic cars, Corvettes, Mustangs, Camaros, everything in between. Just bring the car community together, in a sense, through Batmaro. And for people who don't know where the name Batmaro came from, because I've had a couple of people say, oh, you drive a Corvette. Well, Batmaro comes from the first video on this channel of my Camaro 2SS, and that was my favorite car, the Camaro. It was a black 2023. At the time, it was 2023 when I started this channel, or 2024. I don't really remember. It was 2024. I've only done this shit for like a year. So it was a 2024 Camaro 2SS, and that car was one of the most awesome cars ever. Ambient lighting, it was just so sick. And then I got rid of it because my wife, for some reason, convinced me to get a hybrid. And I was like, you know what, it's fine. I'll get some money back, and maybe I'll get a better car later. And now here we are. So we have the Corvette. I was thinking about changing my channel name to like something like Bat Betty, but SEO would get messed up, people wouldn't recognize me, and my videos wouldn't do as good. Yeah, that's the secret about social media, is you got to do it with one username that's recognizable, otherwise your videos won't do as good. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've been working on. I've met a lot of cool people at the car meets that I've been vlogging, and if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. The rally video, the other rally video, and I got another rally video. I think I got 3 rally videos in total on the channel with a bunch of different car meets. So be sure to go check that out. I got a lot of stuff coming, and it's work in progress. And as you know, when you have success, there will be haters. So if there's any haters, I haven't really met any, you'll see them. You know, the ones who make fun of me driving a Corvette C8 and not like a Z06 or an E-Ray, which I don't really give a fuck about, because guess what? This car is fast as fuck already. Part of my language, but that's really to the people who make fun of it being a Stingray. I don't understand. Like, who the fuck cares? It's a Corvette, bro. At the end of the day, it's still fast, and I love the car. I'm enjoying it. We're at 8,144 miles already, so I'm gonna take a break from the rallies and stuff because I want to give it some space, let it breathe, try not to hit 10,000 miles in the first month of ownership. So that's just a quick little update of what's going on. I know a lot of you like the ASMR type videos, but as you can see on my channel, if you haven't watched the previous videos, I've been uploading every day. I'm on that everyday grind. And yes, we got our hands on a McLaren 720S. We got our hands on an Aston Martin Vanquish, not a Vanquish, that's the V12. Aston Martin Vantage. They sound very similar, so my fault. 2025. And then we got our hands on the Ferrari 296 GTB. All $300,000 plus vehicles. As you know, I'm grinding. In the beginning of this channel, I started doing videos on my Camry. I started doing videos on regular really cars, and then I always talked about getting my hands on some exotics, and here we are. So in the same sense, in the same light, we are going to get our hands on owning an exotic one day or another, and it's going to be a great experience. I love doing YouTube. It doesn't really pay me enough to quit my job yet. I say yet because I'm getting to that point, and it's just a good turnaround. We're meeting some cool people, Corvette families, straight up Corvette members of Society of Tampa. You know, that's the rally we went to. I believe it was 2 videos down, maybe 3, and it was like a bunch of Corvettes. Good people, humble people. Met some guys that own McLarens and Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Cool people too. So I mean, the car that I got, the C8, is really doing what I got it to do. You know, I really bought this car so I could do exactly what's happening, and it's coming to light. I just got to keep going and keep spreading the word. So if you're new and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, bro. You don't want to miss out. Like the video just because energy is good, vibes are good, everything's great. And comment, because I love reading all those comments, of course. And if you're excited, and you know, I don't really care about people who have nice cars in the rally. I don't care. Just come cruise. Even if you have a Mazda or a Volkswagen Passat, it doesn't matter, bro. Just come cruise, hang out with us, talk cars, and just live your life. That's really where we're at with this Batmaro rally that I started, the Bat Rally. That's my goal. So it's gonna be fun. We're using the URR app, and I say we, it's me, but everybody who's gonna be a part of the rally is gonna be using the URR app. It's a rally app, and you can download it, and maybe you'll see my rally pop up if you're in the Florida area. It's gonna start out in Orlando, because a lot of people are in Orlando, Tampa. Nobody's in North Florida. I think like 1 guy's in North Florida, but you know, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, and then I want to get to a point where I know there's enough people to participate to where I can get sponsorships, and that's how I'm really giving you guys the sauce. I shouldn't be, because, well, actually I don't really care, but yeah, that's how I'm gonna fund stuff for the members, is through sponsorships with, you know, racing car shops and other big guys that want to promote their brand and use my platform that I'm building. So it's good stuff, man. It's good stuff. So we're gonna get there, and yes, we're on the way to the gym, because with all this hard work, you cannot forget to prioritize your health. Stay in shape, stay fit, drink water, eat your veggies, eat some protein, breathe, enjoy your life, because your body will thank you later. It's not that time is going by faster, it's just that you get more busy, so you don't really pay attention. And you know, it's just take one day by day, day by day. So make sure you tap into all my socials. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are all the same username, BATMARRO. I'm talking to people who are new, and I'm talking to people who are just ghost watching, meaning like they just watch but they don't interact. So if you're still watching and you're returning, that means you like my videos. So show it. I would appreciate it if you show it, because that helps the channel go a long way. Oh, shout out to that 19-year-old who runs his mobile detailing company. I forgot the name of it. It was like Back something. It's on my Instagram. Go check it out. I have to check it. Really, really cool kid. His name is Massimo. Massimo. Sorry, my memory's good, but it's not that good. So apologies if you're watching this, because I know he said he was a subscriber, which is pretty dope. And he does some good work. I mean, I'm impressed. Kid hustles, he does good work. 19-year-old, love to see it. And he's my go-to detailer now, so anytime we're going to a meet or a rally or anything, I'll hit him up and he'll come by and clean the vet. So shout out to that kid. And it rained right after, so it is what it is. Florida, that's just part of it. So I just wanted to shout him out, because if he's watching this and he made it to this part of the video, I really appreciate you, bro, and just keep it up. You're doing great things. I see an ambulance behind me. Bro, there's no way I lost 10 miles of gas. I didn't even go that far, bro. I was at 300. And That's all right. That's okay. It's whatever. And what do you expect? Let's park it in the front so people can see my app. I've had some people comment like, I saw you at Chick-fil-A. That shit is pretty cool, bro. Just come up and say what's up. I'd love to meet you guys. But yeah, Batmero and making content for Batmero really is just so much fun to do. But I'll see you guys right after I finish this workout. If Plano was cool like that, I'd put on a chest strap and get my workout for you guys. But oh, I just realized this is peak time. Oh. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one.